folks, it's me again. I'm still at it making videos. I haven't done anything in about 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Just been, it's summertime. We've had a heat wave here for the last couple of weeks, and it's been brutal. I'm like, it's, 32 degrees out plus humidity. I can't even paint anything. Like, you can't even do anything. Like, I understand, like, it's hot in some parts of the world, but I don't know how you people function. How you folks out there in hot land, like down south, function without a air conditioned garage. I don't know. Most times it's winter or cold here. Like, we get a couple of months of heat, which I die, and the rest of the year I love it. Like, I like the fall, I like the spring, I like some of the cool nights in the summer. Winter I can handle, except for when it gets like minus 40 and you're getting frostbite. That could be a problem. But what's new? Haven't been here in a couple of weeks. I mean, I've been in and out of here doing a couple of things, but not very much. I still got a bike sitting here. I got to, I'm debating whether I want to take the front end off soon. I have a replaced set of handlebars. My forks are still sitting here waiting for a clear coat, and I don't remember which one has the most paint on it, because I've been waiting for a non-humid day. Like, I was gonna do it this week. It was nice and cool out, like 15 degrees. It was no humidity, and tonight it's humid. So I'm like, I'm not about to try to screw up a paint job, something on my leg, and just have to start over. So I'm gonna wait. But I got another parts conundrum to take apart. The other bike I picked up was actually a motor bike attached. It's a wrecker, and the gas tank, believe it or not, has a few dents in it and is immaculate. Like, I have multiple gas tanks so far, and this one has a dent in it, and the guy's like, "Oh, it needs to be fixed." And I'm like, I looked at it, I'm like, holy crap! It is the best gas tank. It's got a dent in it, but I don't care about dents. I'll paint them with dents. I don't care. But you know what? I don't care if it's got a dent. I put the fenders on that one if you watched the previous video, or if I didn't update it yet. I'm thinking of changing the video schedule. Probably to put like 2 videos out. Or one, or maybe just one on the weekends. Because then I'll try to pack more in one video. Just to make it interesting. Because it'll give me time, like, especially lately, I haven't done many videos. Normally if I'm in here I can make multiple videos and I could fill the thing for a month. So, but it's been too sweaty hot. Like, I literally almost had heat stroke in here the other day. But I gotta do a corn. Get stuck in your teeth. Yes, I still eat corn. I made a couple of good little videos. I'm sure somebody's gonna enjoy something. If you're my latest subscriber, thanks for watching. If you're the latest commenter, thanks for commenting. I enjoy all the comments, good, bad, ugly, whatever. You know, I'm not perfect, so point it out. I don't care. But yeah, my garage is a mess. I haven't cleaned it. I was supposed to move it. That failed. So we're gonna work on that. I don't know, not much. Just been hanging out with the kids. Went 3-wheeling today with my daughter. Caught some frogs. Yeah, what else? Caught some sun. Drank Gatorade. Drove down the train tracks. Got muddy. Got my shoes all wet. I screwed up my back last week. Didn't make any videos because then I was just sweaty. I pinched a nerve. That's what I get for trying to lift up a motor. Wasn't a motor, it was attached to a frame. I had to get that. Yeah, it was a motor. I had to move the motor away. I had to move the bike out of the way. And I'm like, yeah, I'll do, whatever. Forget it. Last time I'm doing that. So this thing's running. I'm going to hijack some parts off the other bike. The rack behind me, I did a video of me taking all the, wrecked threaded bolts. I think there's one left on there I got to take off. I'll probably finish that. I'm going to do a couple of odd reviews, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you come back to my channel, and I'll try to put out videos every single week, at least minimum of 2. I usually Monday what's new, which I'm slacking off on, and I got at least 1 or 2 videos going. So, and my Toolie Tuesday thing I invented. I'll try to review a tool, show you the toolbox, something to do with tools on Tuesdays, just because we all gotta have our own little gimmick, right? Little video gimmick. My gimmick is I just make videos. I don't care what the hell they're about, but it's fun. And I've been doing this almost 3 years, so believe it or not, 3 years. Pandemic, after the pandemic, or before it, and then now. I think September 3rd is the it'll be the 3rd year. How the hell I've been making videos for 3 years. I still don't have enough watch time to be monetized. I'm still stuck at, like, it keeps going up and down. So if you want to watch some videos and help me out with that, watch the whole video, play it in the background, do something. But then again, I mean, I'm not the most interesting channel, so I don't expect to be Mr. Beast, and not that I ever expected, but it'd be nice to get enough. It'd be nice to have like 10,000 viewers, maybe, you know, it'd be nice. Get like 10,000 viewers and just be able to, like, you know, I don't even care about making money. It's fun, like just showing people stuff and whatever. I mean, making money like in this world is always a good thing. Obviously, don't get me wrong. Whoever makes money on YouTube, I'm happy for you. I can't afford to be a Patreon to, and I laugh. Everybody's like, join my Patreon. Like we all have, you know, 99 cents to join 400 different channels. Like and I understand it helps. I don't understand how it helps. I don't understand how being a Patreon to a channel helps the channel keep going when you did you start the channel with money? I don't get it. Anyway, that's the whole thing. But anyway, I appreciate all the people who like to watch my videos for free. And if you want to send me $1 billion in donations, I don't have to do this again. I could just drive bikes and make videos. I probably still would make videos. Be my guest, contact me. You know, pretty sure I've gotten a few emails in the past about how I could collect my $20 million just by going to this bank. And I never responded to them. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a ridiculous comment, and I should have a giveaway or something. I should give something away in this channel. I never thought of, like, I know there's rules on eBay, so if somebody can give me no, I'll look it up. I'll let you know. Thanks for watching. Toodles.